All right, so again, we have the stone of the pregnant woman. You can tell by the scale of this that this sucker was not cut by any human that we know of. This definitely was cut in prehistory by the same people who were going to use this for the platform, which we're going to see. It's attributed to the Romans that they were using this as a quarry and everything around it, but they weren't able to cut anything of this size, for sure. So, we'll take a walk up to the front. It is limestone. And they call it unfinished because it's not completely, obviously, finished as far as it being cut. But you can see over the course of time, other people have been trying. But the initial structure as a whole, being this long rectangle box cut, was definitely going to be used for something massive and brought over to the platform, potentially. And we'll see what that looks like tomorrow. So this is the beginning of it. It's estimated that the one that's I'm standing on might be even bigger. So let's go look at the side of that. Wait, I'm doing a film here. You can see the size of this. This is apparently another one, or even another layer. We have some other structures on that side looking like this was either part of a very big project or it being cut and taken away. That's the two theories because of the massiveness quarry. And that's what they call this. This is the quarry in Lebanon, Baalbek. Usually if you look that up, it's going to be attributed to the Romans. Used this as a quarry to cut these rocks to build the temple of Jupiter. And they built their temple of Jupiter on top of a pre-existing platform. And these rocks and others that we're going to see were already existing as the platform before the Romans got there. That's the point that we have to keep in mind. It's impossible. We cannot do this today. The Romans could have not done this in their time. So this is pre-Egyptian, possibly 10,000 years plus ago, from an advanced technology and an advanced civilization. So we're going to be seeing a lot more of this.